Concordia is a unique place. It's a place where we view every child as a gift from God. And that is also how we look at our teachers, how we look at our faculty and staff. And that viewpoint spills out into how we build a strong, healthy community.
We really have paid very close attention to make sure that we focus on the needs of the academics as well as the spiritual and social side of our students.
We take our mission to heart. We make sure to understand that we provide challenging classes to our students, but we also provide an environment with professional growth for our teachers, and we build that community sense.
Concordia really values the community and creating a warm environment for students, and they actually do it.
We believe in creating an environment of integrity, care, and respect. That's at the core of what we do.
Respecting our host country, living here in China, respecting the values of Concordia as a faith foundation school allows it to be a place that sets it apart for me.
Teachers at Concordia are really excited about helping students find their passions, and so that means maybe it's exploring across subjects to determine what that interest is, but it's also helping them to go deep into the subject areas that they really are interested in.
The students have what they need to make that instruction come alive. It needs to be real for them.
When I teach my students, I'm not teaching to a book or by sessions. I'm glad that I have liberty and freedom to adjust my lesson accordingly.
These teachers, they love what they do, they're passionate about the subjects that they teach, and they're all looking to better themselves each and every day.
I think one of the greatest aspects of the school is how they support the teachers and what they need, providing all the equipment and the facilities to be able for us to create a dynamic atmosphere for our kids.
We also have instructional coaches for the classroom. We have our curriculum coaches, and it's not school-wide, it's per division.
Our school is really great at helping us grow as teachers, whether it is by bringing an expert to work with us or allowing us to find our own opportunities.
And then we also engage in professional learning communities where teachers can learn from one another.
Having that PLC time allows for teachers to come together, whether it's looking at assessments or whether it's planning for units ahead or reflecting on past units. That's one way that teachers can grow.
The orientation for new teachers was really helpful and provided so much vital information just for living here and details about the package that we might not have known about, insurance.
I was really excited when I arrived here to see how accessible everything was. You know, I always imagined that Shanghai is such a huge city that it's going to feel like I'm just in this towering sea of metal buildings, and it's not like that at all. It's so accessible. There's so much going on here. It's just been a really nice environment for me to get settled and feel comfortable right away.
And to me, that's something that really shows a lot about Shanghai's character. It's the old and the new, the modern and the tradition, and I love that.
We have access to great restaurants, malls, doctors, hospitals, everything that we need. So it really feels like home.
We're looking for teachers who want to inspire students in the classroom, who want to innovate, and who also want to grow as practicing professionals.
If you're the kind of teacher who wants to come and make a positive difference, if you're the kind of teacher who wants to be part of a healthy and safe community, Concordia is an excellent choice.
Choose Concordia. This is the best place.